Okay, so I'm filming inside of my cloffice, what I like to call a cloffice, because it doubles as my closet in my office. See what I did there? That was just a quick little pose tutorial. I hope you picked up some good tips. Okay, so when the divas go on the YouTube video and they're like trying to teach you how to do a makeup look, it's what people go to YouTube for, right? You go to YouTube, you want someone to teach you how to put on makeup. And these artists offer great training. You're going to learn a lot. But you're going to learn a lot of extra stuff, and they're going to tell you to buy a lot of stuff. They're going to tell you to do lots of unnecessary techniques. And most of all, they're going to make you feel like your current skills are not adequate enough. But I'm here to tell you they are. You are great and you have great potential. So I am today going to do a quick makeup look that you can do with all of the products already in your home, probably if you're, if you have a makeup bag. So what do I do first? I take any lotion. Do you own any lotion? Do you own foot cream? Do you own half and half? Just regular old CeraVe.
Places the lotion in the basket.
Well, then get that. I have 80,000 lotions. So I'm just gonna pick one. I'm just gonna pick something that will moisturize my face. Anything will do. You just want to make sure your face is moist. Sorry, this may take a moment. Enjoy this short break while I look for a lotion. So I found this. It's called Perlice Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. This is actually how I found it capless in my lotion and cream drawer. Okay, this is how we store things. Okay, so we're gonna make sure our face is moist. Step one, moist face. Did you write that down? We're moistening, we're feeling moist, we're feeling good. Okay, next. Okay, so I've been sitting here for 12 minutes, giving the best performance of my life. And then I realized I wasn't recording. So now I'm just rethinking all of my life decisions. Okay, so what did you miss? I took the foundation, I squeezed it on the back of my hand. I took it with my finger. I put it anywhere on my face that there was room. You don't have to put it anywhere specific, just anywhere in this region will work. And then you take a brush, any brush. Actually, not any brush. Something big and fluffy. I don't care if it's your cat's tail. Just get something big and fluffy and start going like this. The point of the foundation is to make sure it's everywhere and make sure that it's even. It's not hard. It's easy. The word contour is scary, but we're gonna get through it. I'm taking concealer, and then you see these dark circles? You're gonna want to cover them up. Some people will tell you you have to create a V, or some people will tell you you have to create a line and a dot here and a dot here and make sure that inner corner. No, it doesn't matter. As long as it's in this region, we're gonna blend it all over. So it doesn't matter what shape you draw. You can draw an elephant if you want. It doesn't matter what the shape is. Just put it on. I'm getting out of breath. I'm very out of shape. So now we're gonna do the same exact thing with the same exact brush that we did our foundation with. This brush that I haven't washed in 3 months. Wait, I lied. I'm sorry. We're just accentuating our lightest parts. Make sure you put your caps back on, ladies. It's expensive to be pretty. Then, like I said, dab, and tap, dab, and tap. Kind of movement that feels natural. Any movement that feels natural. Push it into the face so it stays on. Making sure we're even. We're dabbing and tapping, we're dabbing and tapping, we're dabbing and tapping. Ew. Who will it be? Who will be the lucky bronzer for me?
Stop singing!
Dab and tap, dab and tap. I'm looking for a bronzer. Focus, Camille. I love that from Dr. What's it called? Mrs. Doubtfire. Hello!
Hello!
I'm just gonna let my hand decide which one. I'm just gonna feel around until one speaks to me. It landed on this one, which I've had since 1963. And that's okay. And then guess what? Dab, 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 dab. We're contouring. We're contouring. Sometimes I just go like this. I just get my whole neck because there's a lot to conceal here. Who's she? She's mysterious. Who's that dark, shady lady? This part is optional. Do you want to seem blushing? Like a blushing bride, like a little spring chicken. Then you could throw some blush on. You could throw some blush on, you know? To make you look a little more, I feel like it always makes you look more sweet. And I have a really bad case of RBF. So nobody approaches me ever because I just look like the biggest. Well, I also am. I'm gonna choose this ridiculous color because I am all about ridiculous things. So we just take it, dab and tap, people. I usually like to make this face while I'm doing it, like, I don't know, I imagine myself as like one of the old mothers of like the Bridgertons. Do you know what I'm talking about? Just like one of those old like royalty, not royalty, but they're like not even dukes, they're like ladies. Me and my friend Katie call each other Lady Pettington because we're both petty. And we're both like, and I make that face when I put my blush on. So you're gonna make your Lady Pettington face. Oh, like judging the Bridgertons. Oh, and like wherever it just looks like you would be like, oh, that just excitement glow. Just put on the blush. Oh, oh, we are blushing. We are blushing. We are blushing. What am I doing right now? Our eyes. Okay, our eyes. Our eyes are the gateway to our soul. So if you have a dark soul, pick a dark color. If you have a light soul, pick a light color. I'm just gonna make things easy on all of us and pick two colors. Two colors we already used. I know. We could just use a hand, like two products on our whole face and we're gonna look amazing.
Amazing!
We're gonna take our bronzer and we're gonna take our blush and we're gonna put it on our gateways. Our gateways. I knew you thought I was gonna say eyes, but no, we're gonna put them on our gateways to our light soul or our dark soul. So we're gonna dab and tap, flick, and then we're just gonna dab and tap on our eye. Oh my god, I think I just awakened something in my eye. I think I moved around my contact a little too much. One time, my contact, I don't know if I should, I'm gonna put a little trigger warning. One time I got a contact like stuck back here in my brain and it didn't come out for like a concerning amount of time. Like if I told any medical doctor how long it was in there for, I think they might be very concerned. But yeah, long story short, the contact came out, so we live to see another day. Okay, we're shaded, we're gorgeous, we're glowing. Bam! And I am just gonna throw her on top of the bronzer. That's it. Just throw her on top of the bronzer. That's it. You're just gonna blow off all the other stuff. off your brush. They say, do you clean your brushes? I say, yeah. It's clean. They're like, do you clean your brushes often? And I'm like, yeah. It's clean.
Gross.
Okay, we've dabbed, we've tapped, we've done all of the steps. We got this far. Are you hanging with me? You can really do any of the things at any time. Don't let somebody tell you that you have to do it in a specific order. Once the face products are on, you can do more eyes. You could do eyeliner, you could do mascara, you could do brows, you could do lips, there's no next step. Just do whatever you want next. I'm gonna do my brows. You're gonna look at your eyebrow and like envision it looking better, and then you make it happen. Excuse me for a minute because they need to see, because you know my eyes are screwed up from contacts being lodged in there for months on end. What do you think I do next? Insert poll question here. If you guess dab and tap, you are right. Actually, I'm sorry. That was wrong. This is a dab and swipe. You're gonna need to swipe on this one. So dab and swipe is the big brother of dab and tap. So if you mastered the dab and tap, you will love dab and swipe. So you dab and you go like you're gonna tap, but instead you swipe. I'm still here. You just thought there was a technical error? No, it was just my mirror. Okay. So now another point I would like to make, and it's a quote that I heard somewhere in my past. It's like one of those things that have stuck with me. Something I remember for the rest of my life. Oh my God, am I getting emotional over this? No, I'm not really. It stuck with me. I don't remember where I heard it, but your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins. Shout out to my sister. Hey, Jess. Hey, Maddie. Oh, Maddie's like my sister now, too. Okay, we're getting places, people. We're getting there. What do you want to do next? Let's just do a quick mascara. Not wearing eyeliner today. We're just going for a quick mascara. Like she's on the run. She's on the run. I can usually tell by the sound it makes coming out if it's gonna be like good, you know? Like, you know that's good. Like, let me try another one just to test it out. Like, just to test out this theory. I'm gonna find one where like I know it's old. Like I've seen her in dark places years ago. Let's pick an old one. Oh, you can just tell. You can just tell she's been through it. Let's hear. Okay, that was surprisingly good. I'll give her that. That was clean. Okay, I'm gonna try one more. Come on. Let's try this blue one. When was the last time I wore this blue mascara? Yeah. It sounded like a silent fart. Can you hear it? It's actually not awful. I'd give it a 4. I've been talking about this for way too long. Basically, we're just going to put on some mascara. That's what I've been trying to say this whole time. God, this movie's going to be like 45 minutes. Guys, guess what motion we're doing? Dab and swipe. Dab and swipe. But this is the remix to dab and swipe.
Remix, yo.
So it's dab, swipe, wiggle, wiggle. You know, like that song. What song is that? Stop. Oh, get a wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Stop. Oh, get a wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. So I want you to sing the stop. Oh, get a wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. While you're putting your mascara on, because it will help you get the right flow. The wiggle, wiggle part is essential. It is the most necessary part. Dab, swipe, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Yeah. Okay, and at this point, like, we're just looking for a cherry. Like, we are an ice cream sundae, and we're just looking for a cherry. That sounded weird. Which is the lips, if I didn't make that clear. You can just use anything. You can put chapstick on and you'll still be beautiful. I need 2 for my lips. I don't care how simple we're going. This is a very crusty lip liner that has a hair on it. from when Kylie Jenner first launched her lip products, which was like, what, 2017? That is so gross. I am so gross. I'm going to get a disease. I should probably put a disclaimer in here, like, if you get sick, it's not my fault. If you use old makeup products, don't tell them I told you to. But I always like shave off the top. So like if something was growing on the top, I at least cut off the top sometimes. Okay, so you're gonna look at your lips, and if you want big juicy smackers, you draw a little bit more of what the good Lord gave you. That's the face you make, like, but it's kind of like a shocked, jealous, kind of like judgy, like a, oh my God, she did what? With who? No. Again, just following a little bit outside your natural God-given lips. Sorry, God. This is not your red carpet glam. This is we're going to the post office to pick up a package, then we're coming home, throwing our pajamas on, and watching Yellowstone for 5.5 hours.
What do you want?
To make a scene. You ready to watch that happen?
So you can either stop here and just keep these bad boys, or you could take it a step further. You're gonna take it. You know what you're gonna do? And this is gonna throw you for a loop. I'm gonna take my concealer. Listen, again, I don't recommend this. This is not a recommendation. But I'm, you know, I'm adventurous. I'm risk-taking. A jab's not gonna kill you. If you eat it, it's not gonna kill you. And if anyone ever sees this in comments that's gonna kill me, I don't care. I'm willing to take the sacrifice. Thank you for your opinion. A tiny bit. Scrape it off. Scrape it off. You just want the illusion that there's concealer still on there. You just want a little kiss of concealer. Just a little. Ooh, that's too much. No. Oh, that's too much. Oh, no. Not this much. You do not do this much. You should take a little bit off. Oh, she's looking a little better. Are we done? Can we be done? Can we be done? The technique is without fail. So once you get the dab tap, dab swipe, and dab flick, dab tap flick, once you get those mastered, you can do anything. You can do anything. But anyway, I'm not gonna act like I have anywhere to go or do after this because I don't have any friends. So wait, that sounded so sad. I'm supposed to be like, thank you for watching, watch my next video, but like it feels very fake to me and like not authentic. So I'm just gonna end the video now.